Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And hello, I'm Rob.
It's very hot today, Rob. What a good idea to present this programme outside in the lovely sunny weather.
Oh, yes, it is. And what a great suggestion that I buy you an ice cream.
Thanks, Rob.
So, come on then. What flavour do you want? Chocolate? Strawberry? Salted caramel?
Vanilla for me, please. It's my favourite flavour of ice cream.
Vanilla? Oh, Feifei, that's a bit boring, a bit ordinary.
It's just ice cream, Rob. But the word vanilla can be used to describe something that is basic or bland. So, vanilla ice cream is very popular because it is delicious. But your taste in clothes is just...
Vanilla? Thanks. I think we should hear some examples.
I thought his performance in the movie was very vanilla. He's normally amazing. I'm just looking to buy a vanilla car. Nothing fancy, no extras, just something to drive to the shops in. I wanted to go skydiving with my friend, but he's so vanilla, he'd never do anything risky.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the word vanilla, which can be used to describe something that is basic, ordinary, or boring. So come on then, Rob, if my vanilla ice cream is so vanilla, what flavour are you going for?
Oh, it's got to be salted caramel.
That's so vanilla. Everyone's eating salted caramel flavoured things these days.
Well, luckily for you, I've forgotten to bring any money. So, no ice cream for either of us.
Oh well, back to work then.
Oh, that's vanilla too. It's such a lovely day. Shall we stay in the park a little longer?
Yeah, good idea. See you everyone.
Bye.